Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Testing finds bugs early and reduces production failures. Automated tests give confidence when refactoring or adding features. Testing also documents expected behavior for future contributors. Start with a few fast unit tests that run in seconds to minutes. Prioritize tests that exercise core logic and edge cases with clear inputs and outputs. Focus on deterministic outcomes and avoid network or timing flakiness in unit tests. Keep test feedback fast to encourage running them frequently. Make testing part of your development rhythm and code review criteria. Write test functions starting with test using PyTest. Use simple asserts to check expected results and error conditions. Use fixtures for setup and teardown of reusable resources. Use parameterize to run the same logic against multiple input sets. Mock external services with Monkapatch or Unitist. Mock to avoid real network calls. Run PyTest queue for concise output and use K to filter tests by name. Measure coverage with coverage run to find untested code paths. Keep each unit test focused on one behavior or outcome. Automate tests in CI to run on every commit and pull request. Run fast unit tests on push and run integration suites on pull request or nightly. Use environment matrices to test multiple Python versions like 3, 8, 3, 9, 3, 10. Separate slow tests into tag jobs to avoid blocking quick feedback. Fail builds on test errors and require passing checks before merge. Record flaky tests and quarantine them until fixed to maintain reliability. Regularly review and prune redundant tests for maintainability and
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.